Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Upload your video file into Canva and place it on the timeline for editing. Make sure the clip contains the audio you want to clean. Right-click the clip and choose Detach Audio to isolate the audio track from the video. Listen to the separated audio to confirm the unwanted background sounds. If you will use external software, click the detached audio and choose Download Audio Only. Keep the original project saved to re-import cleaned audio later. Select the detached or embedded audio track and open the Enhance or Effects section in Canva. Look for Noise Removal or Denoise and toggle it on to reduce background hiss and hum. Use the intensity slider to set a gentle amount at first and preview changes. Play the video from several noisy sections to ensure voice clarity remains intact. When satisfied, replace the original audio track with the denoised version on the timeline. For tougher background noise, edit the downloaded audio in Audacity or a denoising app for better control. Use a noise profile or spectral repair tool to remove consistent hiss, wind, or hum. Apply gentle compression and a high-pass filter at about 80 Hz to reduce low rumble. Export the cleaned audio as WAV or high bitrate MP3 and upload the file into Canva. Mute the original audio, add the cleaned file to your timeline, and nudge alignment until lip sync matches perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.